Hello.
Their customers are now their friends. Dave and Jill Ashton sell all sorts of products. They also recruit other salespeople.
There is your LOC. Peter, for you, your Alano hand and body lotion.
Welcome to the world of direct sales. Once a supplement to their teaching salaries, now this is a full-time job. And despite the economic downturn, business is booming.
People are wanting quality shopping now, quality products that save them money. And also people are interested in starting their own business and making some extra money, so we've been able to help them do that.
I sell Avon, and I can give you the special kind of attention you can only get at home.
This is how direct sales used to look.
What I need is a colour to go with it. Let's see. I can show you dozens of shades.
But this industry is changing. It's worth £2 billion a year to the UK economy, and it's attracting more full-time workers, more over 50s, and more men.
You never look so good.
The good news about direct selling is that anybody can become a direct seller. A lot of people are frightened by the word of selling. They say, I'm not a salesperson. But the reality is, in our companies, the direct selling companies that exist in our association, one does not need to be a professional seller. You don't need sales experience.
Direct selling can take many forms: a single person going door to door, or a team of people making profits together. But here's what makes it unique. There's no shop building, the retailers hold very little or no stock, and consequently, there are very few overheads.
Today, girls, is all about aloe vera, so I don't know how much you know about aloe vera.
This is how Jeff and Sue showcase their products. They hope these ladies will want to buy, but they'd also like them to join their team of salespeople.
I've been using it for 18 years and it keeps me fit and healthy.
Jeff's garage business went bust in the 1980s recession. Direct selling, he told us, has transformed him.
It's gave us an income that's helped us to live a lifestyle that I never even dreamt of. Where I would be now, where I was in the beginning, I just didn't think where I would if I hadn't met this company.
400,000 people now work in direct sales, but we were told to really succeed here, you'll need one vital qualification: the ability and desire to work hard. Jenny Hill, BBC News, Wakefield.